finance as well. Obviously, I'm always going on about spreadsheets. I'm not just for finance, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't use them for finance. I do a lot of spreadsheets, cash flow forecasts, charts, and graphs as far as analyzing finance is concerned, financial analysis, more detailed analysis, income and expense, very simple, kind of what's coming in, what's going out, and also invoice tracking, what's been paid, what's due, what's coming up, all that kind of thing. And actually, when HMRC did the whole Making Tax Digital thing, and I thought that I might be doing fewer reports. Actually, what's happened is I'm actually doing more financial reports now, because a lot of people who used to use spreadsheets are now using cloud software, and in doing so, they've kind of lost control of that, and they want to know what's happening, and they want bespoke reports, and the cloud software doesn't do it. So actually getting data exports from that cloud software and using Excel to create bespoke reports to report on people's finances, how they want to, what they want to see, those kind of things I'm doing a lot of late.